Yes, I finally got them.
Don't get hip
Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre, back another day with another unboxing. Maybe even two, but it's the same pair of shoes. So as you can see in the description, this is the, I don't even know which box to open first, but I'll take the one from Nike. This is the Air Jordan 6 navy blue. And I've been waiting for these shoes. I could almost say that I've been waiting for these shoes since 22 years back, because they have only been released once before, and that was the year 2000, 22 years ago. I don't actually remember if I cared too much about them when they were dropped back then. The year 2000, what were I wearing back then? Never mind. But at least the last 10 or 12 years, I've been waiting for these. And the very, so beautiful. The very frustrating thing, why are there marks on it? Nike. I don't want to have to clean my brand new shoes. They look kind of small too. A lot of marks on them. Never mind. Trying to stay happy. So yeah, I've been waiting for them a really long time for several reasons. And the irritating thing is that, man, they are so nice, is that Nike have been telling us, or Jordan brand, that they are going to be released over and over and over again. I really do like when they do a little bit more about the boxes. So the boxes nowadays sometimes matches the shoes, and I like that. Especially if you have a collection where you keep your shoes in the boxes, you can easily see which shoe it is. These are, there were stains on them and sort of weirdly shipped, because the tongue is never screwed like this. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the marks as well. So it seems like they didn't care too much about them. I should stop interrupting myself. So Nike Jordan brand has been saying for years, many years, that they are going to drop them, and nothing has happened. And these were supposed to drop last year. I don't remember when, but sometime last year, I think autumn or something. And the drop has been postponed and postponed and postponed, just like they have been the last couple of years. But I knew right away that I had to have them. First of all, navy blue or marine blue, that is my go-to color. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see I almost always wear jeans and a hoodie that is navy blue, marine blue. And then that it's a very nice, it's a little bit too dark for my taste actually, because it almost looks black. Then it's a great shoe to have as an everyday shoe. And the third thing is the leather. I saw it right away in the pictures, on the prototype pictures. And I said to myself, as long as the leather are as good as the Maroon 6s, I'm super happy, and they are. I even think that they are better. So I knew right away that I had to have two pairs. And this shoe is a perfect proof that resellers and sneakerheads in general are kind of stupid. because here we have a pair of shoes that haven't been released in 22 years, that have only been released once before. Yes, it's not an OG colorway. That's why we don't have the Nike Air. We have the Jumpman instead, the colorful Jumpman that I like. A pair of shoes that we haven't had in 22 years. That should be hyped. And then we have the leather quality. I get so irritated once over and over again that people say that, ooh, the shattered backboard has the best leather quality ever, and that's why they are so hyped and value, yada yada yada. These are excellent in leather. And speaking of that, the pollen ones that are also really nice leather, not as good as the shattered backboard, but they are still really nice. They are on sale at the moment. And I haven't seen Jordans on sale for like 5 years or something. So there are so many reasons why these shoes should be hyped. And I had no problems at all picking up 2 pairs. And they actually go for, I wouldn't say under retail. Maybe some sizes go for under retail, but my size, I can buy them on StockX for the same amount. And they dropped earlier in US than here in Europe. So I could buy them on StockX for the Swedish retail price. The prices here in Sweden are a bit more. So the Swedish retail price are like 235 euro. So I could buy them for 205 euro on StockX before we got them. So that was my plan B. What a beautiful shoe. It's so clean, so nice. And let me show you, the Maroon 6s has been my beaters since, when did these drop? 2016, 15? I have really worn these, and I've had them working on the car and working in general. So these have been my beaters for so many years, and I did double up on them. Let me see where they are. I actually regret putting the maroon laces, and I can't find the original lace. Oh, I haven't even looked. But these, it was the same. Nobody cared about these. You could buy them for under retail, and now they go for like maybe 300 euro or something. So not too much resale value in them. And I want another pair. So if you have a pair of these dead stock US 12, hit me up, because I need another pair of these. And now when I have them in hand, as I said, I've been super happy with these, with the leather quality and everything. And the leather is better on the navy blues. For some reason, sail white, when it comes to Nike, that leather is usually just amazing. Like we have these, the Sail Air Jordan 1. These are absolutely better in leather quality than the shattered backboard, without a doubt. And these were also on sale, and now they go for like crazy prices. So this is my rant, this is my unboxing. You have already seen a bunch of videos of these shoes. Man, so many marks on them. What is this, Nike? They just keep on raising the prices. And in this case, yes, the leather is good. But the price is 235 euro. And they got a bunch of marks on them. A bunch. But the pair from Sneakers and Stuff seems to be flawless. Yeah. A loose tread, and but otherwise no marks. Yes, there are marks on them as well. I used a minor one. Hey, I'm gonna use the shoes anyway, so for me this is my new pair of beaters that are gonna be standing in the hallway next to my bread ones. Great shoe, great everyday shoe that I can wear to my basic outfit that I wear every day. I'm so happy to have them. It's a lot of money. 2 pair of shoes are 500 euro, if my math is correct. No, more. Less. But 500 euro for one shoe as I see it, because I'm gonna wear this until it looks like this, and then I'm gonna pick up the other pair. So it's like 1 pair of shoe for me. But what a beautiful shoe. A little bit too dark in the blue. I didn't have the first pair, as I said, but navy blue or marine blue, as I call it, should be just a little bit more blue. They look blue in the lighting. I hope you can see that, but as I see it now with the lighting coming forward to me, they look just black and white and black. Yeah, onto the B-roll. So, did you buy them? What do you think about them? Or did you not buy them, and why didn't you? Because this is a great pair of shoes. Great leather quality. Kind of rare because we haven't seen them. We have only seen them once, and that was 22 years ago. Easy to cop. They are still available in all sizes, almost everywhere. And they don't go for much resale either. So why did you not buy this pair of shoes? Because if you did not buy them because there is no resale and no hype, shame on you. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment, thumbs up, yada yada yada. I'm finally happy with a pair of shoes. It's not common that I'm super stoked about a pair of shoes. I think. I don't know. You can tell me, you that watch my videos. But these are basic plain shoe, and I've been looking forward to it so much. And they feel so nice on foot, and that leather smell. You can absolutely feel how soft the leather is on foot. And yes, they are true to size. And one of the reasons why I love Air Jordan 6s as a daily shoe is because they are good for us with wide feet and with high feet. So I can use my orthopedic insoles with a pair of 6s. There's not many shoes that I can use them with. What a wonderful shoe.